Right down there?
Yeah. You watch.
Right
When we walk towards her, she'll start coming towards us. Hear her?
Yeah. Oh, what a terrible place to have her. Oh my goodness. Oh. You wouldn't think she'd have her eggs right there.
Look at her, look. Look.
Oh, and it's so cute. It's different.
And it's going to pretend it's wounded too. Look, see?
Oh, isn't she smart?
See that? Look.
Oh, isn't she smart?
Look at that. See?
Oh, yes.
It's exactly as I described it.
Oh. Oh, my soul. Did they see that?
Probably.
It's pretending it's wounded. That is really something.
How you doing there?
Oh. Don't get any closer. Don't get any closer. Daryl, go back. Get back. Oh, no, don't do that.
Look at him, look.